Got some real cool items, high quality pieces of different subject matter. These all came from the same location, so you can see in some ways they're kind of related just by how cool they are. The first one is lot 325, and basically that one is Industrialized movie projector. So you got the basic movie projector, but this has been all geared up. So it's got all the levers on here. It's got all the wheels spinning on here. You can see where the film would advance if you had a film strip on here. It's just really a cool piece. Very substantial, solid piece, mounted nicely on the wood. Just a real cool thing. The next one would be lot 253, safe and rapid cartridge loading machine. It's number 4088. It was patented April 17th, 1888. By the George D. Hunter Company in Chicago, Illinois, and basically gets a 12 gauge loader. You've got just a sample 12 gauge shell in the bottom here. You've got the shot, the powder, how it puts it together. You've got the levers. It's just a real cool vintage piece, and just very nice with the brass and the chrome, polished metal, just really nice. The next one here is just a real neat. This is a vintage diamond fair box, and it just has the, it's all brass, glass, polished, and it's just a real neat piece on here. And this one actually even comes with the folder related to the fair box. So that is kind of neat to have that extra information on here. Just a lot of detail about the fair box itself. So just a real cool thing. Right up front here, just kind of a really unique little item. That one is a Radical 3-cylinder oscillating steam engine. So it's almost like the opposing pistons like airplanes had. So it's just like 3 cylinders, 1, 2, 3. And you could hook this up to an air compressor, or it'd be like operate off a steam setup. So it's just a really neat looking motor, and it's also functional. But it's nicely mounted, great display. Once again, totally complete. Looks like it's totally operational. You can see in the back, moving it, just how the pistons go from each cylinder back and forth. Just really neat. So just a real cool piece. And the last piece up front here is a hang-up piece, and it's just really neat because Rolls-Royce was always kind of one of the coolest luxury makes ever made, and this is a vintage carburetor off of a Rolls-Royce. So it looks to be mostly complete. That's lot 237. Just a real neat piece. Got all the hardware on the carburetor here, so it looks pretty cool. And it's a hang-up piece, so you can just mount right on the wall. But just a great display piece, conversation piece. Has a data plate on the front. Just any one of these would be just a great thing to collect and have on display.